We're at 510 colors. I'm gonna show you how to change garage remote batteries. Very simple with those fobs. You just pull on that little compartment here. You just pull like this, comes apart. That's the inside. That's 2 batteries right here. You got the first one and then the second one. That's empty. Throw out those batteries. Got the new batteries here. You put those batteries in the case. Make sure you can see that little plus sign on top. So you should see that side of the battery on top here. You're going like this. And you're closing the case like this. Make sure it clips. And you can test it by pressing the button. You're gonna see that blue light here. And it should work.